we are kicking things off with massive moves in the world of digital finance. Andreessen Horowitz's crypto arm, A16Z Crypto, just announced a colossal $2.2 billion fundraise for its fifth venture fund. This isn't just a number. It signals massive investor confidence in the sector. Plus, they are promoting their CTO, Eddie Lazarin, to the role of general partner. We dive into what this means for the future of digital assets and venture capital.
Stop using your finger for notes, sketches, and edits. This Jam Jake stylus pen gives your iPad a smoother, more precise writing feel with palm rejection so your hand can rest naturally on the screen. It charges fast, works for hours, and comes with replacement tips. Perfect for school, work, or creative projects. Check the link in the comments to grab it on Amazon.
Next up, we shift gears entirely to the cutting edge of artificial intelligence infrastructure. Siemens has teamed up with ARM to validate the performance of the ARM AGI CPU. This collaboration is crucial for agentic AI workloads, using Siemens' Veloce Strato CS platform to ensure everything is production-ready for hyperscaler deployments. We explore how this breakthrough in performance per watt is set to redefine AI computing. Now, let's look at major shifts in the automotive and energy sectors. Westport Fuel Systems, Italia, and Landi Renzo have signed a significant agreement to combine Landi Renzo's green transportation business with WFSI. This strategic move aims to strengthen their position in the alternative fuels segment, with a closing expected in the fourth quarter of 2026. Find out how this merger will reshape the green fuel landscape. And finally, we wrap up with a look at the evolving landscape of specialized technology markets. We're tracking the projected market size for the OARM Intraoperative Image Navigation System by 2026, giving you the essential data you need to understand this growing field. Don't miss out on these critical developments. Stay tuned for the rest of the news. Andreessen Horowitz's digital assets venture, A16Z Crypto, has secured a substantial $2.2 billion for its fifth venture fund. The firm also announced a key leadership change, promoting its chief technology officer, Eddie Lazarin, to general partner. This marks another major capital infusion for the crypto venture giant, which has established itself as one of the earliest and most prominent venture capital firms in the crypto space. Led by managing partner Chris Dixon, A16Z Crypto has built a significant portfolio, starting with its first $300 million fund in 2018. Dixon has since overseen the raising of 4 subsequent funds, accumulating $9.8 billion in total capital, including a $4.5 billion raise for its fourth vehicle in 2022. Early investments were heavily influenced by Dixon's thesis, detailed in his book Read, Write, Own, which posits that blockchains will drive the evolution of a decentralized internet. Successful investments have notably focused on financial infrastructure and exchanges, including Anchorage Digital, the decentralized exchange Uniswap, and the prediction market Kalshi. In a recent announcement regarding the new fund, Dixon and A16Z Crypto General Partners stated that the $2.2 billion fund will target founders working on the less visible but more enduring aspect of the crypto cycle, transforming new infrastructure into everyday consumer products. The fundraising activity comes amidst a challenging crypto market, where major tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen prices fall by over 40% from their 2025 highs. Despite market headwinds, top crypto investors continue to attract significant capital. Other major players are also active. Dragonfly Capital recently raised $650 million for its fourth fund, while Paradigm is reportedly aiming to raise up to $1.5 billion for its latest fund, which will incorporate AI and robotics alongside crypto. Separately, Hahn Ventures, led by former A16Z Crypto General Partner Katie Hahn, announced a $1 billion raise focused on crypto, financial infrastructure blended with AI, and alternative assets. In response to questions about expansion into AI, an A16Z Crypto spokesperson confirmed that Fund 5 is exclusively dedicated to investing in crypto entrepreneurs. A recent market analysis highlights significant growth potential within the OARM Intraoperative Image Navigation System market, projecting a substantial market size by 2026. This sector, which integrates advanced imaging and navigation technologies into surgical procedures, is poised for expansion as hospitals and surgical centers increasingly adopt minimally invasive techniques. The market is driven by the demand for enhanced precision, improved patient outcomes, and the ability to perform complex surgeries with greater accuracy. While the provided content points to a market size projection for 2026, further detailed reports from OpenPRCom, including the 5 available releases, would offer granular data on key drivers, regional trends, and competitive landscape within this rapidly evolving field of surgical navigation technology. Siemens and ARM have collaborated to validate the performance of the ARM AGI CPU, designed for next-generation agentic AI workloads, enabling scalable, production-ready infrastructure. The ARM AGI CPU is built on the ARM Neoverse Compute Subsystem, CSS, v3 platform, targeting high-performance and energy-efficient compute for agentic AI and cloud data center deployments. Siemens utilized its Veloce Strato CS hardware-assisted verification platform to perform comprehensive verification of the ARM AGI CPU, spanning from the subsystem level to full system integration. This effort was crucial for addressing critical performance, latency, and power targets essential for hyperscaler deployments before silicon tape-out. ARM leveraged Siemens hardware-assisted verification, HAV, emulation, and prototyping solutions to manage the complexity and performance demands of the Neoverse V-Series compute subsystem, CSS. Collaborative workflows were engineered to validate key performance metrics for hyperscale deployments. Cara Madridi, Vice President of Productivity Engineering at ARM, noted that the scale and complexity of modern AI compute platforms necessitate enhanced verification. Madridi stated that Siemens solutions allowed for full system verification of the ARM AGI CPU at scale using multiple Veloce Strato CS towers, ensuring it met hyperscale performance and efficiency requirements. The ARM AGI CPU marks a significant advancement in performance per watt for agentic AI and high-performance computing. The complexity of multi-die CSS designs, featuring Neoverse V-Series cores, high-speed interconnects, PCIe Gen 6, NVMe, and CXL, required verification fidelity beyond traditional electronic design automation, EDA, toolsets. In addition to full-chip verification, Siemens' Veloce Pro FPGA CS prototyping platform accelerates pre-silicon software development. By providing FPGA-based prototypes running at near real-time speeds, Veloce Pro FPGA CS allows software teams to begin validation, driver development, and system bring-up months ahead of silicon availability, thereby de-risking critical deployment milestones. Jean-Marie Brunet, Senior Vice President and General Manager of Hardware-Assisted Verification at Channel YouTube, highlighted the partnership's success, emphasizing that working with ARM ensures Siemens' verification technology can validate complete Neoverse CSS subsystems in a full SoC model at industry-leading performance. This reflects a shared commitment to advancing AI infrastructure. Siemens' verification and implementation solutions are designed to integrate seamlessly into ARM CPU design workflows, fostering rapid adoption. Crucially, the Veloce Strato CS technologies developed for the ARM AGI CPU are now available to ARM licensees, SoC designers, and ecosystem partners, creating an ecosystem that accelerates innovation and reduces risk for the broader agentic AI community, offering hyperscalers a pathway to gigawatt-scale deployment confidence. Westport Italia is set to absorb Landi Renzo's green fuels division in a strategic move to bolster its position in the alternative fuels market. Westport Fuel Systems Italia, WFSI, and Landi Renzo have finalized an agreement to integrate Landi Renzo's green transportation business into the WFSI structure. Landi Renzo will retain a 15% minority stake in the newly enlarged group. The transaction is being finalized under the terms of Landi Renzo and Metatron's negotiated crisis settlement restructuring procedure, with the expected closing scheduled for the fourth quarter of 2026. The deal specifically excludes several assets from the merger, including Landi Renzo's Indian joint venture with Krishna Group, Landi Technologies USA, various smaller international entities, and Safe SB.A, which will remain part of the broader Landi Renzo Group. The structure involves a partial demerger of the green transportation business into a separate entity, which will subsequently be contributed to and merged with WFS Italia. Bart van Aerle, chief executive of WFSI, stated that the combination is designed to enhance customer service and strengthen the company's standing within the alternative fuels sector. He noted that this move is a significant step forward following WFSI's separation from Westport Fuel Systems Inc. Canada last year, and aligns perfectly with the strategy set by the new management team in collaboration with Heliaca Investments. WFSI is now operating under Heliaca Investments Corporatief UA, a Netherlands-based family-owned investment company.